The euro versus US dollar and pound versus US dollar has had an up and down trading day. The dollar versus yen has been mostly to the downside, but it's correcting off of a tactical bounce. I'll talk about those currency pairs in this video to kickstart your US trading session. So let's get started. Today, the U.S. economic calendar is a little crowded with PPI coming out at 8:30 along with retail sales and unemployment claims and Empire State Manufacturing and Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index as well. Fed's Powell is scheduled to speak as well at 8:40, it looks like, and then the capacity utilization industrial production at 9:15, followed by business inventories and AHB housing market data at 10 a.m. So chock-a-block with different data in trading here today. As mentioned, the euro versus US dollar has moved lower in or higher and lower in trading here to kickstart the day. The initial move to the upside took the price above this blue line, which represents a 100-hour moving average in trading yesterday. We tried to hold below it here, broke above it, and then came up to the 200-hour moving average and also this swing area right through here, which was a nice floor, as you can see, going back in time through this period right through here. So being able to hold that level gave the sellers a go-ahead to push to the downside, and by the close, price was back below that 100-hour moving average, but it didn't take long for the price to move back above that moving average level. But we did fall well short of the 200-hour moving average up here, and the market has since rotated to the downside. We just started the U.S. session with the price testing the 100-hour moving average. That's going to be the key barometer for both buyers and sellers in trading here today. Move below is more bearish, stay above. And we could see the neutral trading between the 200 and 100 continuing as the market traders try to figure out which way they want to take this currency pair. Let's take a look at the dollar versus yen next. And if we take a look at the hourly chart, as mentioned, I said this pair had moved to the downside, but did find technical support buyers ahead of this rising 200-hour moving average. You have to go back to this day and trading last week to have the price last trade below that 200-hour moving average. Is only briefly before we started this big move to the upside. It's all move higher, move lower, move higher into the high price that we saw. I guess on Monday's trade, that high price came into just as a reminder, into a swing area. Go to the 4-hour chart. That goes all the way back to this period right here, December of 2024. That's where we had this low here, base to move to the upside, came down to that low base to move to the upside. Got a little wonky through here, but we did find support buyers right through here and here once again before breaking below. And it wasn't until, well, earlier this week that the price moved up to test that level and rotate to the downside. You can see the net result of that test and the reward that the sellers had for leaning against that level. So we are up below the 100-hour moving average. We are above the 200-hour moving average. This level right through here was just a swing high that had earmarked, and I'm not sure where the 146.15 came about, but if we, I would say that this is our trading range. Traders will look for a push outside of the 100 or 200-hour moving average to give them the next bias clue for this currency pair. Finally, let's take a look at the sterling versus US dollar. I'll focus again on the hourly chart, and what we have here is that in trading to the downside yesterday, we saw the price move all the way down around to the 100-hour moving average, and also this swing area through here. You can see the importance of this swing area, mainly right through here, where we had swing low, swing low, swing low, swing low, all forming that floor. We continued it right here with a big bounce to the upside before failing, moving to the downside right through here, and then yesterday we came down to that level and found support. Not only yesterday, but today we came down to that level once again right here and found support buyers. So guess what? The 100-hour moving average swing level at 132.61 will be a key technical target or technical bias defining clue for both buyers and sellers. Trade above it. It's more, gives the buyers a little bit of an edge, move below it, and we look for further downside momentum with this pair with a 38.2% retracement. The key target on the downside, that level was broken in trading earlier this week, Monday to be exact, but could not sustain the momentum to the downside and then based against it before moving to the upside. So this level is going to be key on the downside if we're able to get below the 100-hour moving average and continue the rotation to the downside through this 132-ish type area. On the top side, get it back above the 200-hour moving average. I know we have or 200, yeah, that's 200-hour moving average. I know we have on a number of occasions in trading here today. We'll look toward this high right through here, and then we'll start to look toward the swing area up through here to get to and through. So there you have it. a look at the 3 major currency pairs to kickstart your new trading day in the U.S. session. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.